My dear students, this month, that is January, CBSE board is conducting practical examinations for plus 2. I will talk about the chemistry practical. First of all, I will talk about what to carry in your lab when you are going for the practical examination. Number 1, your lab coat. Most important thing, don't forget to bring the lab coat. Number 2, your practical file. Number 3, your project report. You must carry all this. And more important, your stationery with you, that you write paper, right? So you must have pen, pencil, everything that you must have. Certain guidelines have been given by CBSE board this year. Certain changes are there. All your practicals will be recorded. Whatever you do in the lab, that will be recorded. Right? Photographs will be taken when you are doing experiments. So do it with your own. Don't go with the cheating slips with you. It's a matter of reputation of your school, your teacher, and you also. Right? So don't bring any cheating slips. It's a matter of your reputation. And while going for Viva, I'll talk about the Viva, the most important part of this whole thing, whole practical examination. Most students are afraid of this Viva. The first step that you have to do when you are asked to come for the Viva, go with your pen, your project file, and practical file. And wish, good morning, good afternoon, whatever the time is here. You have to follow certain etiquette manners in this Viva session. If whenever you are asked to sit on the stool or chair, then only you sit, otherwise please don't sit. Right? Present the whole practical file, project file to the examiner. Don't be tense, relaxed. It's a simply a Viva session. If you know the answer, give the answer with confidence. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. Simply say, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. That's it. The teacher will shift the question, give you another question. Don't worry about your marks. Just relax. Right? When the session, when the practical, this whole questionnaire is over, when you are asked to leave, simply say, thank you, and leave the place. That's very important. Right? So follow this guidance. This time, our thing is being recorded. Everything is being recorded. So take care of this thing. It's a matter of your reputation, your school reputation, and your teacher reputation. All the best for this examination, practical examination. I hope this video will be very, very useful to you. If you like this, share it with all your friends.